Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be looking at number 75 in my list of the 100 top traders. That's Mark Cuban. Now, using this strategy has done so well for me. It's put me in the top 3% in the most recent CNBC tournament with returns of over 53%. Now, what I merely do is follow the holdings of the richest, most successful investors out there, and I find them through these free websites. Then get an average analyst ranking through these free sites. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of September 28, 2009. Now, looking at the holdings of Mark Cuban's portfolio on StockPicker, you can see that TCX is the only one that comes in the buy camp with a rating of 4.25 out of 5 stars. You can also see all of his holdings that come in as a hold, all of his holdings that come in as a sell at this time. So with that, we go to the charts on TCX. Now this one, you can see, has had a nice run, is currently above all of its moving averages, and had a bit of a breakout at the beginning of August above all of its moving averages. And it's sitting on some good solid support right now. Stochastics is kind of sloping down a bit, but still in the mid of the range. So you could still see some greater potential for upside on this one. But again, I would say be warned, because this one does trade under $5 and is actually under 60 cents at this time. So a lot of places would consider this a risky stock, seeing that most professional money managers don't touch things under $5. So although it looks good for the upside right now, just be warned that it will be lightly traded. So in review, the moderate buys are TCX, and there are no strong buys at this time. And again, all analyst recommendations are as of September 28, 2009. And if you'd like a more up-to-date reading on Mark Cuban's holdings, you can go into StockPicker for that and get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. So, on to my disclaimer. Disclaimer: I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own none of the stocks discussed today. So again, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time for I'm a Whale Watcher. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, creator of The Predatory Lender. Now, if the previous was a little too boring for you, try The Predatory Lender and join them on their intergalactic adventures as they hunt down the next great investment opportunity for you.